I've never done this before.
God.
Just kidding.
We gotta get this transmission off and then the engine out. But first, we gotta get these CV axles out. We can't get the ball joints out. They're being a pain in the ass. So we've decided we're just gonna put Sharpie marks on where these coilovers are sitting. And that'll be how we mark where it's placed to put it back to the same spot so we don't have to worry about the alignment on it after the fact. But we already got tie rod end links off, or tie rod ends, and it looks like I'm gonna need to order a couple new ones. But we're getting close.
We're not even close.
We're getting close.
Okay, hello guys, I'm Niko. We got the axles out, got that one, and then this and the half shaft. Everything is out of the way. There's no more, no more shafts. The transmission brace out. This is my car. I have no idea what we're doing. Drink Ryan's water, don't tell him. I hear him coming.
Oh my god, it maxed out.
Wait, I just wanna show.
I'm gonna pull it closer to show how close this is.
Can the screen turn on? Yeah. That's how much we're working with right there.
That rope's been touched. Now, I didn't get to do any GoPro footage of the flywheel situation, or the pressure plate situation.
It's not supposed to be like that.
This is not supposed to be like this.
And then
that's not good. Not good.
Not very good. And then also down here.
I don't think that's supposed to look like that.
No, that is definitely not supposed to look like that. Other than that, though.
That's another empty GTO engine bay. Another one. Round 2.
Supervisor dog doing a lot of work.
Just taking it to the limit on his little tether rope there. Last night we left off. Got the engined out, and wow. Engine is resting on the floor. Transmission is out. We covered all of the issues that we had with everything. Flywheel, or pressure plate sitting over here. We're gonna strip this engine down to bare block. Strip those heads down to nothing. Get them ready to send off to the shop, get them pressure tested. Okay, Niko and I have been messing around trying to figure out how we're gonna get this mounted onto the engine, because we only have 4 possible points of contact. These 2 here, and then 1 on each side there. And then there's these holes on the bottom. So we're gonna try, we've been trying to find long bolts, but we've got the bolts.
Now we need washers.
Short. But now we need to eat up a whole bunch of space to make this work. All right, we're gonna shut her down here for the night. Yeah, we had a long day. So the progress we did make, however, is getting this on the engine stand. All the accessories and everything off. And upside down.
Which was more of a challenge than it sounds like.
Yeah.
It's a little long. Got it done.
We're back today. We are chop shopping my own car.
Just kidding.
Okay. I'm playing Fire Marshal. We've got the fire extinguisher here. Niko's on the welder. We got a little bit of framework here we're doing because the previous owner, you know, made some shit really janky. But yeah, we got the fire extinguisher on standby.
I would like to say I'm not a professional welder.
I've never done this before.
Have it. Research.
Oh, that didn't sound good. I'm just playing squinty here. I don't know.
Not horrible.
Things are happening. Niko's angle grinding down some of the welds there, making them look real nice. I am looking for gloves because I gotta haul the transmission over from the back corner out to the front where I can work on it. I gotta pull the center diff out of it, so I gotta see if one of the other ones that I have is good, or if I'm gonna have to order one. Today, we pulled apart 2 of the transfer cases. Got the center diff, or VCU, out of the transmission. It is in pieces over here. And Niko's been putting in work up here. We are doing some repainting in the engine bay. And I got VCUs taking up all the space. Here, let me move those for you. Oh, I'm so excited for these tires. So the reason that we're diving into these transfer cases is because here is an 18 spline center diff, and this is the 25 spline. So these transfer case units are the same on the inside, but this one has 25 teeth and this one has 18. I get so confused by all this shit. This is the one that we want to use. This is the one we don't want to use. This one, you can't tell, but it's crunchy. It's not as smooth. It's hard for me to move this and get it moving. This one's smooth. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. My brain can't take it anymore. There's so much going on.
We're not even close. We're not even close. We're not even close.